Right, it's been a while. I've had a bit of trouble with a graphics card. It's the 5700 XT. AMD's drivers are garbage, but I'm going to give a little bit of an update as to where I've been. To be honest, I've been mainly lazy, but yeah. So, I bought a Radeon 5700 XT a little over a week ago now. It's the Gigabyte model, the Windforce OC. It's got 3 fans. It's a pretty beefy card, and every half an hour roughly while I'm playing CoD, the system crashes. I get a black screen, the sound just completely fucks itself, and I've got to force restart my system either by unplugging it or holding down the power button. Obviously, this is pissing me off quite bad now. But the thing that annoys me the most is the graphics card itself physically is very powerful and very capable. It's just AMD's drivers letting it down. If I could get NVIDIA drivers on there somehow, I know it's not possible. I'm not stupid. I would put GeForce Experience on there, but unfortunately I can't. I'm in the process of returning this card now and getting a new one. I am looking to throw it back a generation with NVIDIA and getting a 1080 Ti. It is still pretty powerful, but it doesn't have any of the RT cores and deep learning stuff which the RTX series has. To be honest, I'm not really interested in ray tracing. It's not perfected yet. Maybe with next gen Ampere 3000 series GPUs that will be fixed out, but I need a GPU now. The only alternative I've got really is a GeForce 770. I don't want to use that in my main rig. That's for my second rig. Right, in other news for the channel, I'm thinking about going more down the gaming route now as well, instead of just PC hardware, so a bit of both, if that makes sense. I don't know if you lot would like that. So I'd be doing more gameplay videos as well, but it'd still primarily be on PC. Well, solely on PC. I don't really own a console apart from a Nintendo Switch, which really isn't mine, it's more of the family's. But yeah, I'll experiment with that, see how you lot like it, because I want to diversify and see what I'm doing better in, because there's only so much content I can make on PC hardware until I start to run out of ideas. So yeah, that's about all what I've got to say. Just a quick discussion video, just letting you know where I've been, which is nowhere really, especially with the UK lockdown. So I'm going to leave now. So like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you really like my content, that would be greatly appreciated, and follow my socials, all links are in the description, and have a good day. Oh, and by the way, AMD, update your bloody drivers.